Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about the incredible power of positive thinking. The way we approach life, the way we approach challenges, and the way we approach ourselves all stem from the thoughts that we hold in our minds. Positive thinking can truly transform our lives, and I want to share with you how this powerful mindset can bring about incredible change. First and foremost, positive thinking can change our mindset. When we choose to focus on the good in every situation, we are able to see things from a different perspective. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, we can shift our focus to finding solutions and opportunities. This mindset shift not only improves our mental well-being, but also allows us to approach life with a renewed sense of optimism and hope. Moreover, positive thinking has the ability to strengthen our resilience. When we face obstacles or setbacks, it is natural to feel defeated and discouraged. However, when we choose to believe in ourselves and maintain a positive outlook, we are better equipped to weather the storms of life. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to provide us with the strength and determination to keep moving forward, even in the face of adversity. In addition, positive thinking can have a significant impact on our relationships. When we approach others and ourselves with kindness and positivity, we are able to build stronger connections and foster a more supportive environment. The energy we put out into the world is often the same energy that we receive in return. By embodying a positive mindset, we can attract positive people and experiences into our lives. Finally, positive thinking can lead to incredible personal growth. When we believe in our own abilities and maintain a hopeful attitude, we are more likely to take risks, pursue our passions, and achieve our goals. The power of positive thinking empowers us to step outside of our comfort zones and embrace new opportunities, leading to self-improvement and fulfillment. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking cannot be overstated. It has the ability to transform our mindset, strengthen our resilience, improve our relationships, and foster personal growth. As we navigate through life's ups and downs, let us remember the incredible impact that positive thinking can have on our lives. Let us choose to embrace positivity, believe in ourselves, and approach life with optimism and hope. Together, let us harness the transformative power of positive thinking to create a brighter and more fulfilling future. Thank you.